Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. If you guys have a frozen screen, this is a quick tip for you guys. There's two different ways to try to get out of it. You could power down the phone, which is volume up and the power button at the same time. Just hold them down, and that should unfreeze your phone. And if it doesn't, try to tap this, and if it turns off, then you should be good, and you just power it back on. But another way to hard reset the phone, which is the phone will actually restart, you press down the volume up, then you press down the volume down, and then you hit the power button and you hold that down until you see the Apple logo with the black screen. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do. Volume up, volume down, power button, and just keep holding it. It should power up soon. Keep holding it down. Voila. What that's going to do is actually restart your phone, and it won't delete any type of files or nothing. It'll just respring the phone, and it'll have you back to your home screen in no time. Alright guys, so that's about it for the video. This is a quick tip of how to unfreeze and how to hard reset and how to get out of a frozen screen, because you know that it might happen. Peace and love. My name is Alan Anthony. This is Phone Tech at Work. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.